Olympic and world champion Usain Bolt, one of the 3 patrons for this year's Sagicor Sigma corporate run, has enlisted the help of his friend and comedian Kevin Hart to endorse the charity run scheduled for Sunday, February 18. Bolt, rated as the greatest sprinter of all time, the GOAT, although him don't like the GOAT thing, posted the video endorsement on his IG page, which has a following of almost 8 million fans. The comedian, who is known to love running, said he fully supports the cause, even though he'll not be able to attend the event. It would be nice if him could have come, though. The event marks its 20th anniversary, and all proceeds will go to the Spanish Town Hospital's Special Care Neonatal Unit and St. Christopher's School for the Deaf in Brownstown, St. Anne. It's always a good cause, and I did Sigma twice. I'm not doing it this year. And I cannot promise you know I will be doing it any day that I have 2 shows to perform, or maybe when I'm more fit. But it's a good cause, and I noticed that Usain and Kevin been getting real close from the other day because they have the poker challenge together. Yeah. And if anybody knows Kevin Hart and follows him, they know that he's always running. You know, he's doing 50,000 marathons and working out.
He's actually the only comedian, the first comedian to be signed by Nike.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Big deal.
I know he was signed by Nike. I didn't know he was the first one.
Yeah, there's a video, I think.
Yeah? Oh, let's play it.
My guy, Usain, is doing this amazing run, the Sigma run, and I hear that the proceeds go to an amazing cause. And I just want to encourage people to go out, not only support it, but to go and challenge yourself. Do what you don't normally do and become the best version of you and help people while you do it. You got my full support. You got my help. This is Kevin Hart. If you know me, you know I love to run. I wish I could be at the Sigma run, but I can't. But I'm there in spirit, all right? And my spirit is a big spirit. It's a spunky spirit.
A big spirit for a little man. It's so funny.
But that's the thing I was talking to someone about in terms of our celebrities. Shaggy and friends.
Yeah,
Bolt
they try to give back.
Always.
And you know, Bolt just gave like, I think it was $1 million
to the Worthington.
I really appreciate when I see people taking the time out to use their platform for more than just themselves. Hey, I'm pretty. Or hey, I can run. So that's amazing. So big ups to you, Usain. Yeah. What's up next?
All right, Uriel James, the leader of reputed Rosetown-based Discipline gang, was shot yesterday morning and injured in the parking lot of the Spartan Health Club in New Kingston. James was leaving the club shortly after 8 a.m. when 2 men dressed like construction workers opened fire. One of the bullets struck James in his side. A team of personnel from King Alarm was passing the location and immediately responded. They reportedly accosted the 2 gunmen and held them on the ground at gunpoint until the police arrived. And the videos have been circulating on social media.
Yeah, I don't want to see the video.
Yeah, I saw it by default.
Huh?
I saw it by default.
Yeah. I don't want to see it, and I think now I actually catch my afraid, but not lie to you. This is where I am in my life because I feel like Jamaica has become a place where I constantly have to be doing this. I constantly have to be looking over my shoulder, making sure my doors are locked. When I'm driving home, I'm looking in the rear view.
And that's what I was trying to explain to someone, that we are people just the same. Because someone said to me last week, they saw me on the show, and I didn't look spunky. I mean, things are going on in this country that affects all of us. You know, even
all the time I've spunk.
Yeah, and you have some days. You have some days where the things outside are affecting you.
Yeah.
You know, but
and I realized somebody told me too that when I'm affected and scared, I do this. I always hug myself on TV, and he said not to do it, so I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, you can hug me.
Yeah, what has become the norm now is uncomfortable for me, and the fact that we are so comfortable with it, like, oh, it's okay, it's just another gunshot, it's just another murder, that bothers me.
You know why? We've been desensitized.
Of course, and I don't like that.
Social media all the time.
People think about the things that you're passing around. I won't bring it up again, but there's another video as well. Let's not pass around these things.
Come on, anybody pass around a video, may I report them. May I carry to the police and show them.
All right, next up. Sadly, I have to tell you that Temptations lead singer, Dennis Edward, has passed away in Chicago, just 1 day before his 75th birthday. Known for the legendary hits like Papa Was a Rolling Stone, Papa Was a Rolling Stone, I Can't Get Next to You. The Detroit native landed the lead role for the legendary group in 1968. Despite the singer's backing and forthing with the group in the 80s and 90s, Edwards was inducted to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame with the legendary group in 1989. However, after complications of meningitis, the singer passed away in a hospital yesterday. We've lost a great, but his memory and his music will live on because, you know, you can't lose that. We have that.
Yeah, 75 years is a pretty long
man,
time.
God gave 3 score and 10. Anything after that is brata. That's what my grandmother used to say. She get enough brata though. I'm glad for that.
But I enjoy this music.
Yeah.
It's one of those music from the 80s and that I really enjoy. And I think about Chicago, Marvin Gaye and all the people from Chicago.
Yeah, man.
Great city.
Awesome.
Great city. Too cold, but great city.
I can't even remember if I've been there. I don't think so.
You don't want to go there.
Oh, what's the last one?
Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall series returns to TVJ tonight. You know, it's 11th
so
season.
excited.
Yeah, because I got to make a guess up here. No, I'm kidding. This is the 11th season of the talent competition since its launch in 2008. Quite a few competitions have gone and they enjoyed the mainstream success. Among them are the 2015 King of the Dancehall winner, Devin the Doctor, who received a Grammy nomination in 2016, earned a Billboard chart single in 2017, and is now signed to California-based Downtown Records. My favorite of all the performers, Tanto Blocks.
Oh, Lord.
The 2017 winners were Magnum King, Sematic, and Magnum Queen, Suspense. I keep mixing them up.
Yeah?
Yeah, I thought Suspense was the...
But may I tell you though, I can't say it unless he's here to tell me how to say it before.
Who?
Devin. The skill, the boom boom.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you for that.
Carrie, you have to put it up. She know it, so she always put it up for me when I don't remember. But I'm so proud that a lot of people have gone through this. All of these competitors have worked so hard, and at the end of the competition, they have something to show for it. You know, it's like it has launched many careers, and I'm glad for that. So, if you are one of the fans of Magnum King and Queen, don't miss it. It's starting tonight. Make sure you get back on the train so you can start early, so you know over support and all them good stuff.
And look out for me.
Oh Lord, no, we won't be looking out for extra costs.
Hey.
We won't be there. Hey, she type it. Boom, boom, shala zoom, Gashman. Yes, that's it. Boom, shala zoom, Gashman. Pick up yourself, Devin. I love that. I don't know why it's so funny to me.
If Ranking Pumpkin can go, me can go too. I go for my spot.
Oh, we're not showing wood. That's the end of trending topics for today, guys. Let us know what you think on all our social media pages, and we'll be right here, so don't go too far.
Boom.